Hello, I'm C.W. Richardson with Pace Edwards. We're here to show you today the new Ultra Groove electric cover. The Ultra Groove is designed to allow the consumer and working man to put racks on the side. You get lower profile racks. Any Yakima or Thule rack system will fit in these tracks. It gives you versatility. This is the EL400. It's a brand new model. The bars are rated at 400 pounds, ladders, kayaks, lumber. The guy can work with it during the week and play on the weekends. The Ultra Groove Electric has a few different features. The exterior seals provides better water management, so instead of having just a small seal, when it gets warm, these seals configured to the bed caps of the truck give you a much better, superior seal. We're also launching a new Bluetooth application to open and close it. Works off your phone or your standard remote, which comes with the unit. It'll stop in any position. The Ultra Groove Electric and all the Ultra Groove models have extra drain tubes in the rear. So we have 4 sets of drain tubes. This allows the truck to be lifted, leveled out. Water will have a chance to dissipate from any direction. It's all a matte black finish. You have much thicker seals along the sides. Gives you better stability, won't crinkle up an alligator on you. You have seals across the bottom all the way around. When it closes, you can stop it anywhere you want to, but there are also seals underneath the edge. So when it shuts over the tailgate, it reduces the amount of water that can come in the truck. An all matte black finish. The Ultra Groove series comes in the vinyl over metal, it comes in the full metal, and it comes in the electric, and it's all powder coated, matte black finish. In addition to that, you have the bed slide. Bed slide comes in 1,500, 1,000, and 2,000 pound models. There's also an option for various trucks for a no drill application. Alleviates putting holes in the consumer's truck. The guys, fleet guys, and guys that just lease a truck for 3 years don't want to drill holes, this is the perfect option for it. New materials, it's a laminated honeycomb type material, no longer using a marine grade plywood or laminated wood. Makes it lighter weight, much stronger. It seals in with the urethane coating. Shuts in. Simple operation. Even your grandmother and grandfather can do it. For more information, check out www.earlowen.com for information on Pace Edwards.